There's no shortage of options when it comes to picking a new jigsaw for your shop. That's why I tested some of the most popular cordless jigsaws to help you find the best one for your needs. Here's my list of the best cordless jigsaws. There you go. Those are my top 5 picks for the best cordless jigsaws, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cordless jigsaws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to check the prices and other details, be sure to look in the description box. So let's go to over top 5 product reviews. First up, we have the Milwaukee MLW 273721 M18 Fuel D-Handle Jigsaw Kit. When it comes to cutting quality, the Milwaukee Cordless Jigsaw is going to get you the best results, as it uses numerous high-end components to ensure precise cutting through a range of materials. For one, its brushless motor is more powerful than the motors other jigsaws use, and it can deliver up to 3,500 blade strokes in a minute. This means that this saw can cut through just about anything, including both hard and soft woods, plastics, and more. And because it runs on a powerful M18 battery, it can cut up to 105 in a laminated particle board before a recharge is necessary. Like other jigsaws, it has 4 orbital cutting positions, and its shoe can be adjusted to make 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees bevel cuts. There's a dust blower and an LED light to assist with cutting, and it comes with an anti-scuff shoe that comes in handy when cutting finished surfaces. And this jigsaw doesn't just blow dust off the cut line, it can extract dust too, so it never affects the inner components. This jigsaw also employs RedLink Plus Intelligence Overload Protection, which can help protect the tools so it lasts longer. Lastly, it's 20x 5.31x 14 and nearly 13 pounds when the battery is attached. Next on our list is the Black & Decker Cordless Jigsaw. The best value pick is the Black & Decker Cordless Jigsaw, since it's much less than high-end jigsaws, yet still efficient, versatile, and capable in numerous ways. This is easily one of the best budget jigsaws you can buy. Like other cordless jigsaws, it utilizes a brushless motor, one that's capable of generating 2,500 RPM. How fast the blade moves is determined by the jigsaw's variable speed trigger, meaning you set the speed you want using the nearby switch and then press the trigger to power the saw. Its foot is pretty sturdy, and it can be slanted to the left or right to make different bevel cuts. A hex key is required to adjust the foot. It accepts both T-shank and U-shank blades, and no wrench or key is needed to remove or fasten the blades. While it doesn't have a LED light, it does have a wire guard to help with precision cutting. Coming in at number 3 is the Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless Jigsaw. The Ryobi 1 Plus Cordless Jigsaw is a powerful, easy-to-use, and compact cordless jigsaw with many components that allow you to get the absolute most out of this tool. For example, this cordless jigsaw features a blade-saving feature, which essentially allows the user to drop the foot. Whenever the main part of a blade is worn down, this way, the less worn section can be utilized. There's also a trigger locking system which allows for sustained cutting over an extended period, and it has a 4-setting variable speed control. And like the other cordless jigsaws on this list, this tool is powered by a brushless motor that can generate 3,000 strokes in a minute. Running on an 18V battery, it can deliver up to 100 of cutting before it'll need a recharge. There's a built-in dust blower so you can clearly see what you're cutting, and it has a LED light to allow for work in dimly lit environments. As far as dimensions go, this tool is 9.84x 8.743x 3.39, and it's on the lighter side, weighing just over 5 pounds without the battery attached. At number 4, we have the Craftsman Cordless Jigsaw. Known for its versatility, the Craftsman Cordless Jigsaw is a well-built, efficient, and easy-to-use lithium-ion cordless jig that's capable of delivering a range of cuts across different materials. It runs on a powerful 20V battery, and it utilizes a 4.5 amp brushless motor that's capable of generating 3,000 strokes per minute. And whereas other jigsaws only take T-shanks, this system takes these and U-shanks as well. Plus, you don't need a wrench or hex key for shank fastening or removal. Like other top-notch cordless jigsaws, it uses a variable speed trigger, which is super convenient. However, it only has 3 orbital settings, whereas most corded and cordless jigsaws have 4. Its foot can be tilted up to 45 degrees left and right to make bevel cuts, and you will need a hex key to adjust the foot. There's also a locking system which allows for sustained cutting over an extended period. It also has a dust blower, so the cut line isn't obstructed when the saw is being used, and if purchased directly from Craftsman, it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. Finally, it's 10.25x 5.75x 9.25 and weighs over 7.5 pounds. Last, number 5, DeWalt 20V Max XR Cordless Jigsaw. For those who already own another of DeWalt's 20-volt tools, this jigsaw is a very good addition, especially when purchased as a bare tool. Of all the saws we tested, the grip on this one fit best because it's narrow and felt almost like a drill driver, very comfortable. The max speed of 3,200 strokes per minute was fast enough to blast through the wood when set to the max orbital setting, though we did experience some splintering in tests. That somewhat lower speed and vibration, along with the comfy grip, helps stave off hand fatigue. We liked the excellent blade visibility, especially when cutting at 45 degrees, and the blower feature that kept sawdust away from the blade. The tool-less bevel adjustment locks in securely. On the downside, the DeWalt is not vacuum compatible, and it does not have a lock-on button, which would act like a cruise control during longer cuts. Also, while the shoe has detents that lock in at 0, 15, 30, and 45 degrees, only the 45-degree mark is clearly identified with numbers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make